This is the problem from partial differentiation, and here the function z is given as 2x plus 3xy plus y square minus 2. Here we have to find dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So in the solution we will write the given function z is equal to 2x plus 3xy plus y square minus 2. Take it as 1. Now we have to find out its dou z by dou x, partial derivative of z with respect to x. Now differentiating 1 partially with respect to x. When we differentiate with respect to x, our y term is constant, and we know that the derivative of constant term is 0. So here we will apply the same condition. So dou z by dou x is equal to 2, we will write before the derivative part, 2 into dou by dou x of x plus 3xy. Here we are differentiating with respect to x. We have 3 and y also. So this 3 and y are the constant terms. So we will write before the derivative 3y into dou by dou x of x plus in this term we don't have x term. So directly when we differentiate y square with respect to x, it becomes 0, and dou 2 by dou x. 2 is also a numerical value, and the derivative of numerical value is also 0. So these two terms become 0. So we get dou z by dou x is equal to 2. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus 3y into, here also it is 1, and the derivative of y square with respect to x. In partial differentiation it is 0. In ordinary differentiation we write 2y into dy by dx. But here this is our partial differentiation. So y square, derivative of y square becomes 0, and derivative of numerical value is also 0. So the required answer is dou z by dou x is equal to 2 ones are 2 plus 3y ones are 3y. This is the first part. Now we have to find out dou z by dou y. So again we will write the same function z is equal to 2x plus 3xy plus y square minus 2. Equation number 1. Differentiating 1 partially with respect to y. When we differentiate with respect to y, x is constant. So here we will write dou z by dou y is equal to 2 dou x by dou y plus 3x. These two terms are constant. So we will write 3x into dou y by dou y plus dou y square by dou y minus dou by dou y of 2. Dou z by dou y is equal to 2, we will keep as it is. Derivative of x with respect to y is 0. In partial differentiation it is 0. Here we get 3x, derivative of y with respect to y is 1, plus here derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y. Means we have to apply the formula x to the power of n. D by dx of x to the power of n is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1. So 2 into 2 to the power of y minus 1 becomes 2y. And this derivative of 2 is 0. So our partial derivative dou z by dou y is, this term is 0, this term is 0. So here we get 3x ones are 3x, and this is 2y. This is the required answer.